figured I'd show this for a second. This is an 05, I believe it's an 05. Yeah, 05 Honda CRV fan motor. It's overheating, not working. Just pull out your battery and your battery tray, and we'll take out these. I believe it's got 2 bolts on top and the bottom slides in, if I'm not mistaken. But might take this top hose off to get it out of the way, and let's see here in just a second. Let's power up this old one with my I'll show you. Take off your little trim right here on the top. Take it 2 seconds. Take it off. Take your top hose off, so you can have it out of your way. And then you clamp like this. Right. Let me get my little bucket under here real quick. Kind of tuck your hose over it out of the way over here, and you should be able to get to your fan. You get your 2 tins on top. Take them out. And you should be able to slide the fan out. Just gonna get out of your way of everything. And whatever you do, don't ever scratch your radiator. Try to go through everything else but that. Like I said, I always power probe it. I already checked it in there, but make sure, you know, your black one's on the be on the right side here. So you put your ground like that. Nothing. Won't do nothing. And I'll show you a new one when I get it, what it should do. I always check them. Alright, well, this is the new one. We'll test it just to show you how it should be working. Woo! Alright. So we know the new one's good. This is gonna be part number FA70130. And we'll go put it in. You got 2 little spots on the bottom. Once you get in there, you'll feel it. All right, now we're gonna put all this other stuff back together. Let's put your breather, your of course, hook your hose back up. Put your breather stuff back on, your battery back in. That's just a couple bolts here and that, and then let's see if this fan works. Ah, the fan finally come on. We're done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching.